Have you ever wished you could undo a moment, visit the dinosaurs, or jump 100 years into the future? What if I told you time travel isn't just science fiction, but a real possibility grounded in physics? From Einstein's theories to actual experiments with atomic clocks, scientists are inching closer to understanding whether we can truly move through time, not just forward, but maybe even backward. So buckle up, because today we're diving into one of humanity's most mind-bending questions: can time travel ever be possible? Before we can talk about time travel, we need to understand what time is. Time feels like it's always ticking forward, second by second. But in physics, time is treated as a dimension, just like space. That's right, you live in a four-dimensional universe, up and down, left, right, forward, back, and time. This is the heart of Einstein's theory of relativity, which tells us that space and time are woven together into one big thing, space-time. And here's where it gets weird: the faster you move through space, the slower you move through time. Sounds fake, it's not. Let me explain. Einstein predicted a phenomenon called time dilation, and it's been proven over and over. In one experiment, scientists placed atomic clocks on high-speed airplanes. When they compared the clocks on the ground to those that had flown, they were off by fractions of a second. The clocks on the moving planes had actually ticked slower. This means time literally passes differently depending on your speed and gravity. In theory, if you could fly close to the speed of light, you'd experience time very slowly, while hundreds of years could pass on Earth. So yes, traveling to the future is already possible in a scientific sense. The only problem: we don't have the technology yet to go fast enough for it to matter. Traveling forward in time is accepted physics, but traveling backward, that's where it gets complicated. Some theories say it might be possible. One idea involves wormholes, hypothetical tunnels that connect to points in spacetime. Think of them like shortcuts through the universe, and maybe through time. In theory, if you could create and stabilize a wormhole, and move one end at near light speed, then bring it back, you might create a kind of time loop. Go through one end, and boom, you could pop out before you entered. Sounds incredible, but we have no idea how to make one. Wormholes, if they exist, would be extremely unstable, likely collapse instantly, and might require negative energy, something we don't fully understand or know how to harness. Even if time travel were possible, it would open a galaxy of paradoxes. Take the famous grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, do you erase yourself? And if you're never born, how did you go back in time in the first place? To deal with this, some scientists propose the idea of parallel timelines, where any change you make spawns a new branch of reality. You don't alter your own past, you just create a new one. Other physicists believe time is self-consistent, meaning the timeline can't be changed. If you try to go back and change something, you'll either fail, or your actions will end up causing the thing you tried to prevent. Mind blown. So, how close are we to actual time travel? Right now, we've only scratched the surface. We've seen time dilation on satellites. We've measured it in labs. But to build a machine that takes someone to the year 3025 or back to 1985 is still beyond our reach. The challenges are enormous. We'd need energy levels we can't even imagine. We don't fully understand quantum gravity, and if wormholes exist, we don't know how to keep them open without destroying ourselves. Still, theories are evolving, and scientists like Kip Thorne and Stephen Hawking spent decades exploring whether time travel might fit within the laws of physics, even if only in extreme conditions. So, can time travel ever be possible? To the future, yes, kind of. To the past, maybe, with a giant asterisk. For now, it remains one of the most exciting mysteries in science. But who knows? In 1,000 years, future humans might look back at us as the ones stuck in time. If you enjoyed this brain-bending journey, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop your favorite time travel movie in the comments. Back to the Future, Interstellar, Tenet. What's your pick? Until next time, or maybe last time, stay curious.